In this video, I will show you how to set up AI automated crypto trading, profits, and duration. But before we continue, if you have a suggestion for a future video, you can drop them in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Without further ado, let's get started. I have to let you know that to use this AI automated crypto trading bot, you need two things. You need a verified crypto exchange account like Binance, Bybit, Bitget, or any other verified crypto exchange account of your choice. I have dropped a link in the description of this video to a recommended crypto exchange that you can use that can give you a quick and easy API connection to this crypto trading AI bot. And the second thing you will need is this AI automated crypto trading bot. The link to download this bot is also available in the description of this video. Now let's go to how to set up the AI automated crypto trading, profits, and duration. This is the home page of the bot. Come to the bottom and tap on the trades. Now on the trade page, we have automated, we have sync, we have signal, and we have manual. But we are going to be focusing on the automated. Under the automated, we have AI brain. We also have KOL brain. KOL stands for key opinion leader. We also have spot trading plan and futures trading plan. But I'll be using spot trading plan for explanation in this video, and whatever I explain in this spot trading plan also apply to futures trading plan. Now I will tap on spot trading plan to set up profits and duration. This is where you choose profits and duration based on the trading capital that you have in your exchange account that you have connected to these bots. Let's say you want to use $500 as your trading capital from your exchange account. You have to select 500 USDT. Then come down to trading type where you can set the time, which is duration, and also set the profits. Here you can set the duration to 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days. Then you can tap on the profit to set the estimated profit. You can set the estimated profit to 20%, 50%, 100%, or 150%. The estimated percentage of profit you set will determine the amount of gas that the bot will use to run the trades to meet up with that percentage of profit you have selected. I hope that is clear. Alright, let me explain it this way. If you select 20% as estimated profit, the bot will use 1000 gas to run the trades. If you select 50% as estimated profit, the bot will use 2500 gas to run the trades. If you select 100% as estimated profit, the bot will use 1000 gas to run the trades. If you select 150% as estimated profit, the bot will use 7500 gas to run the trades. If you do not have enough gas for the bot to run the trades, you have to top up the gas for the bot to automatically run the trades for you. After you have set the time and the profit percentage, the next thing to do is to launch the bot so that the bot can start running the trade for you in your crypto exchange automatically. Before we end this video, I want you to pay attention to a few important things I have to say. Number one, your trading capital must remain in your preferred verified exchange account. Don't deposit your trading capital into the bot. Number two, I will never ask you to send money to any platform or send money for trading or for any investment. If you see any post or a message requesting that from you, know that that is not me. Know that someone somewhere is trying to scam you. If you receive any message asking you for investment, or you see any post or video, a group or a channel asking you for investment, please disregard and do not partake. That is not me. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. If you have suggestions for future video, you can drop them in the comment. Thank you and see you in another video.